Hey, something wakes me up. The morning time as my fire pause. Make me my fire pause. Hooray! Yeah, welcome back actually to CarX Part² and kind of report 265 for all these 120 cars I have. Playing actually West Coast area. Little time off. Hey, what's going on with all these fucking tags that just actually bring in? YouTube don't bring it in actually in my videos then, but ask me for my tags. Well, see, is that only for for actually the channel that has it on then, or what's going on with this shit? Alright, let's bring somebody else in. Here we go. You like it like this one? Yeah, I'm good, right? Here we go, all my tags. Oh my god. Nah, we'll be fine today. I get a little throat problem because I talked very much yesterday, so I get lamed actually all after that hour. With just the internet just fucked up. Started actually 264, so this is actually 265 already. Because I watched actually today to my calendar and just saying, hey, yeah, you doing actually? What? You're not going to the supermarket? Alright, good, yeah. Still one box of cigarette left. So actually CarX, I say, and then 264, right? And then I watched actually my streams. Oh, you already did actually 64 because the internet fucked up yesterday. And there was a microphone in there. I'm sorry, I just stand up. I could always just throw, you know. Oh gosh, no. Blood comes out. Then over my little device actually, I just tried to research over Spotify. I made up Spotify from far away actually on my desktop. I thought, okay, let's try. Just did it. And I listened actually to this the YouTuber actually, Angry Video Game Nerd actually, I just watched, and I saw just mute him and actually try to find in a kind of 30 meters away some fields with my small device actually getting Angry Video Game Nerd in there, and actually found actually something on YouTube, on Spotify, and just so I'm playing here right now actually some Justin Cowell style. So I'm not sure where I am right now because, yeah, my fire pipe hose was just, I just was saying I need a bit of taller, goddammit, after a half hour. You're very interesting, Chris. Nobody cares, so, well, my English in the morning time. Perfect. Good night. You little crazy!
Hello all.
Sorry, safe, of course, yes, safe. It's a blowjob, MacGyver. Oh my god, no. Uni, there's something I don't like what's going on here in the background and stuff. Oh, that came from yesterday actually. I found out what the hell was going on Meet Your Maker. So, if you're still interested.
URL.
See, I just want to watch it by myself right now. Sorry, I know already it's fucked up fun. Oh, that's in the morning time, goddammit. Shut up with that music, goddammit! What the hell is that? Oh my god. It's terrible. I can't even comment that. Nobody can, right? But I just sent it on Facebook, so everything's good. What's with the song? Stop this crack. Shoot. My earplugs are even out. Where are the earplugs, goddammit? Where all my hair goes. Here it goes. 2v10. Oh. Rumble, right? And I actually see Skeleton actually moving here, Carbon Mag, you know. Just research for the fucking caps. Where are the caps anyway, by the way? Oh my god, that turning. Get my caps back, goddammit. Fool. My nose is dripping, you know that. Here we go. Ah, dude. That's crack. Dumpster. I'm in a good mood, right? No. Every time actually I'm in a good mood in the morning time. But it takes so much effort and time actually to go on the internet or something, better say on the live stream. Today I just was saying, let's keep on moving. After actually listening a half hour Angry Video Game Nerd music. First time I searched for Spotify after 10 years anyway. What the hell are you doing down below? That is so fucked up, seriously. Oh, this is so waste. Oh, gross, Mary. Oh, shoot, dude. I want to make a GIF or something out of this shit. I was at the same time I was thinking, where's the camera? Just for fun. That was kind of in the same time actually I just did that. I already was thinking about this stuff, so kind of what the hell my head is between his legs. I couldn't actually go behind the chair, right? My arm is not long. And so I came on the idea somehow actually, when I have it, I make this up. It's on like that. Oh gosh. Alright. Do whatever you want thinking. Oh my gosh. What's with the nuclear theme in here? It's not fitting. Okay, that's why. Oh my gosh. My throat already actually expanded and just fucked up. I can't breathe anymore. That's in the morning time, like that shit, you know. Yeah. It's something like seriously very hard, and I don't know. Just brings me down to earth. There we go. Okay, let's have a drink and then let's keep it moving, right?
You are right.
Oh, it works. TV show. Yeah. My show again on the PsN Acc YouTube. I'm not quitting. Oh man, is that okay? The other account actually I have everything on gold already with that car because I tried to do actually this car to get all the gold together, but as you already see in here in this account, there's so many cars already get everything together. So if I have actually go together on West Coast, I just dealing something else, and that's actually this one in here. Nighttime, right? The Americans have nighttime still. Oh, Japanese already had 16 o'clock or 15 o'clock. Exactly. When is the best release for an album? Well, it's actually 5 o'clock in the morning. Because it's Friday, and the Japanese actually coming home at that o'clock, watching actually his iPod or something. Or iPods they're listening for. They found something on Spotify. But the American is the same. It's actually going close actually into the bedroom. So it's 5 o'clock for the German to bring it out. The morning time. What the hell? Thought I hear something. Tschüss auf Campana, Schwabis, Illuso, Luzgold, Rosen, die Schneck, Suffer. Fun. Kompromiss. Oh man, I don't can hear the car. Is it because the headset already have on the noise reduction stuff from the outside? Yeah, definitely. But hey, that's not so bad. Very powerful. Not powerful enough for the brakes, eh? You got it. Get the 2250. Needs somehow to get it. I can't drift like that with that car. You will. No, I don't care. It takes a lot of time to get into drifts in this game. Even it was 8 hours ago or something. Bring me back into this game, it takes a lot of beer to bring me back. A lot of beers bringing me back in this drift game. Because this engine is seriously unique. Sorry. Even my English takes a long time actually to get English translated from German. No, why is it doing this? Oh crap, man. I have no feeling when I don't hear the car. Must be impossible. I have no feeling how to drive a vehicle when I don't hear it, when the music is so hardcore and don't get even good. It's like you're getting thrown into water, right? In the cold water. Crashed my car more than 100 times in here in the track, and I hate this track to play the nten iory. I just did. The in-game music pisses me off as well at the same time. There's so many stuff that pisses me off here on the track. That was the worst drift ever I just drove on that track. Seriously. Not to get gold or something, no, it's just I couldn't handle the Audi. I couldn't handle it. Hello. Spotify. Remember. I'll be back. 5 years. It's not so looking bad, man. Too many overdose actually with people. No feeling. Pressing a button and stuff. nten iory is extremely unique as well in this game. But it makes fun, but the car is, and the track at all, not fitting. And if you don't listen to your car, I don't know what's going on, you know. I don't can feel the vehicle then. Now actually my doodle butter is coming up a little while, or wants to get out. How more actually I'm doing. Good. Chamberlain. Next vehicle. Will warm your cheek. Here we go. I'll be drinking actually cola with vodka, right? That's the second time in my life I'm doing that. Actually, the third day I'm trying to do, but there's no bubbles anymore in there. The taste is fucked up. Get the music off, man. I don't hear myself, man. I hear nothing. Thank you very much. I want to enjoy a little bit, and maybe later on then the music comes back. Definitely, it will. But my ear speakers right now actually have the noise reduction stuff on. I don't can listen what I'm doing in the game itself. That's why I'm crying in the microphone. Hold on a second. Holy crap. Oh, that's better. Much too loud. Here we go. Here we go. Now I hear myself. Oh, that's good. Alright, I'm back again. Gosh damn it. And somehow my shoulder hurts today. The left side. No, the right side, sorry. The right side. Oh, what happened? Cuddling too much with the cushion, eh? Dong dong. Let's drink some beer, goddammit. That was just a nip I started up with this game. Just auf Campana Schwabi so loose, there's nothing. Nothing. Yeah, there is something. It's just yesterday I was eating actually in the night time my stuff, right? And I just did actually some kind of, what's that? Corny flakes actually in there, and one flake was actually on the floor, and then in the morning time I researched actually for the vacuum, what's that calling? Staubsauger, was heißt das auf Englisch, man? Just a sucking thing, you know. I was saying, okay, well, fuck this off. I'll make this later. It's the only that flake or something actually I broke with my feet already on the floor. All the parts actually all over. Cheers out. I'll be on the original actually as we doing that the last day actually for an hour long. And yes, I got my ring on again on my middle finger. Yay! And it fits like the first day. Goes everywhere. Awesome. Cream de la cream. Had that ring actually since my 12th birthday from my aunt. But I just did it away actually since a week now from my finger. Just for fun, seeing what happened. Actually nothing special, so without or with, it's just there, you know. But the work starts next week, so that's why I put it on again. Once it saves actually my hand by kind of a co-worker on the construction site as he was, you know, doing the crane action, getting the concrete plates actually down, the heavy 250, so kind of 500 pounds or something, one of each. And my hand was down below, and he was very fast with the crane going low down actually, cable, you know, so it was fucked up. And the plate was actually over my hand, and actually especially on my fingers. And that was my ring that saved me. And that was for 4 or 5 years ago, 6 years ago. 4 years, 4 or 5 years, yeah. Yeah, 4 years I think it is. So with that, actually I have broken fingers or something on my left side. Shut up. Again? Yes. Enjoy your life. Let's get prepared actually for nten iory gaming today only. I hope I can handle that. As you saw, actually, I couldn't. I'm speeding too much up with the vehicles. I hope it's gonna be better right now. Alright, so this one. But if you're waking up, listening actually to any video game nerd Carl Justin, right? Research that actually from far away from your bedroom to the PC. First time on Spotify anyway. I researched for AVGN. And then, you know, going actually after a half hour to toilet and bring in the headset and the earplugs and pull it up to the highest volume ever. You going nuts. And so it was actually in this drifting as well. That was too loud. Let's see what's coming up in here. No. That can of beer needs to get drinked. Jetzt muss ich noch meinen Bauleiter schreiben, wann wir denn nächste Woche überhaupt anfangen. Das ist falsches Handy. Wrong cell phone. Ja, das ist ein geworden. Das ist online. Echt? Oh mei, oh mei. So ein scheiß Thema. Ah, fängt der ganze Mist wieder von vorne an. Genau. So, das ist mal Prepare. 7:15 Uhr. Warum um 7:15 Uhr? Das ist ja viel zu spät, oder? Das ist um 7:50 Uhr tauche ich auf und dann 2 Minuten später kann ich schon ins Auto einsteigen. Alter, nee, dann bin ich um 6 Uhr schon da, wenn es sein muss. Es ist mir zu, was zum Teufel. Wenn man 7:15 Uhr schreibt, dann ist 7:30 Uhr Arbeitsbeginn. Hauptsache Herzinfarkt in der Früh schon. Nee, dann bin ich um 6 Uhr im Lager. Trinke ein halbe Bier und schlafe ein bisschen noch. Versuche mich für das ganze Jahr vorzubereiten. Den Tisch sauber machen oder so. Das ist mir zu krass. Du schaust bis um 6 Uhr da und um 8 Uhr fängt es wirklich erst an. Ja. Alright, I'm ready. Let's keep it moving. Already 25 minutes and we just drifted once. Gambatte. Takes a second to go into the finish line. It breaks somehow. That was weird. Oh, my arm hurts so much. What happened at night? Stretched too much my arm or something. My shoulder. Actually, my shoulder hurts on the right side. So I don't know what's going on. Weird. Get this off then. Wenn nichts mehr kommt, dann bleiben wir dabei. Wird sich schon wieder in der Ruzifix, da macht sich wieder so ein Stress. Der Vollpfosten. It's just some music I like very much or something. Just let it play then. Oh, look at that, 7,444 actually the drift, and 1,666. What does that mean actually? 8,100, or is it then 9,000? Need a calculator, it's morning time. Oh my gosh. The 744. Consuming actually the 1666 and 9100. Oh my god, that's a 911. Oh, that's shit. Yeah, well, that's not fine as. But guess it would, you know. It's a drip verve. I'm gonna no.
9110.
Yeah, that took actually a minute to get this on. Oh man, how long I didn't drove actually that vehicle. I got the cam block sign on. The 43 actually changed in the vehicle. Even the back, I just did something. German, Japanese, American, and Great Britain. Yesterday somebody wrote actually that New Zealand sign is actually with 4 stars on, and 5 stars actually is Australia. Okay, I got that one. So what's about actually 7 stars? Oh, the Royals. Yeah, just kidding. Alright. Pump it up in the West Coast. nten iory, of course. Or we already did that. What's that? I can't reach it. Guyver Mag, man. Oh, I don't can see it. A 4,000. Here we go. Okay, we're doing this one then. But actually, I say everything I already got in gold. We're dripping in something else, right? So, your journey. Oh yeah, let's do the San Francisco stuff, right? Speed up this 30k. Seriously, it's very hard to do in San Francisco and nten iory. Especially driving a machine like that. It's undrivable actually. Let's see what's coming up. Ich hoffe, der Brummer hält sein Wort. Samstag oder für Montag. Ich will ihn nicht weiter nerven. Ich will seine Autorität in Frage stellen. She's up. Another can of beer. One, two, three, with me. Ganbarimasu. God damn it. In the end, and I beat my record. Yay! I beat my record. Okay. But this car is crazy. It's fast, it's loud, and it's kind of swingful. And that's the problem. And if you're driving San Francisco, it's terrible to drive. The intro actually was awesome. Entry. After so long time driving the car. Oh well. Dropped XP and beat actually my best time. Best record on drift points. I feel like now actually in Tokyo Drift, you know, you're starting up with drifting again. It's every day if you're starting up actually after kind of 4 to 6 hours sleep, and then you play again this game. I'm not even, you know, poisoned or something by the alcohol last day. I'm not even shaking my hands or something. I'm good. Heart pressure. But to do this all days on, you know, and all after some sleeping, you feel like a little children and you don't know how to drift anymore in this game. You need to build up feeling with the controller into the TV to actually drive and drifting actually these vehicles. Dang! And this is one of a good one. Brutal. Super a brutal car. As a DefRekka always know, and they couldn't drive actually these kind of blackjack X22, and there's another one out there, these kind of half cargo stuff. The truck, you know. Here we go. You again. I remember on my old account very much. Drove off. Okay. Skeleton. You need to sit here somewhere else. I don't see the points, you know. I just want to bring you, man. Fuck it. When I see gold, I can't actually do something else, so we're going somewhere else. What about this one? Nighttime. No. Then I go, no. We're going like this one. We're going crazy. We're going, actually, that part I don't want to play for into Nori, so let's do this one. Let's see if I can beat even the silver one. Mind. Rock your body. Rock your body. Rock your body. She really was singing that. Some beer. Cheers up. I don't know. Gambarimasu. Didn't get the ash away right. There we go. Wow, the nten iory actually, that looks awesome. Nten iory driving every car is doomsday. I couldn't beat the 7K, oh my god. I love that. The beginning was so strong, man. It's just the left, right stuff. I can't do nten iory where we're on the 60 angle or 55 or something. I'm only stuck on 50. Fun? Makes fun. I'm good. I'm here. Not tripping, yeah. Cheers up. Next vehicle. That makes you prophecy. With these games. Oh man, already drove off the west coast. What's coming up next, man? Let's get some easy. I mean, you can do nighttime always. Gamarimasu. Rock your birthday. Nobody show up in the morning. I thought actually in the morning time when I'm doing this drift, you know, these live stream, maybe some people's watching. That's weird. Waste of time, right? No, waste of beer, that's all. Is that all you're thinking about? Yeah, seeking in my mind actually some of that Asian girl there. Still mindly ex with her. Let's link that on Facebook. Even there I have no friends anymore, but actually a lot of followers somehow. What's that? Couldn't remember what that was. Something already I want to share as well. Still have it on? Hold on. So fucked up. Yay! Alright. Now we on Facebook. Good to hear. So we had an Nomad GT ride. I don't remember how to drive into Norway with these vehicles. Ever did or something. Let's see if we can pump up actually the bronze or silver. Rock steady, my friend. Rock steady. The nervous, eh? Go Marimas. my gosh. Daredevil you are. Why I'm going so nuts and crazy and so fast in nten iory. But the drift wasn't so bad. Okay, I hit so many. But nten iory to drive in this game, if you drive 89 or 85% kind of the frog view, or bird view actually, in the back of the trunk. I thought that's weird, always drive that actually. Simply kind of say we have to do that offer or something more and more in the future. Yeah, the vehicle is loud. How the fuck I just did that? Hold on, how the fuck I just did that? Getting actually the visual off. No, how I just did that? I couldn't actually press the R3 button. How did you do that? There was some button I just pressed and the kind of visual just was gone, right? What kind of a button I pressed? No? That's a picture mode, I know. That sentence was new. Was that 264, right? 5. Nten iory. You picture around it. But seriously, how did you did that? Nten iory, eh? Loud and proud, my home. $39. Come on, nten iory. That's something, man. Nobody's watching here because it's Friday. It's Friday, right? Yeah. 9:25 here in Germany. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. There must be something about that one. I'm going to the toilet and be right back then. Hold on, where I can sing this. YouTube product, illustrated, since more than 10 years now. But how can I sehen, zu speichern? It doesn't give you the link. Be right back. Need to go to the toilet. Be right back.
My Facebook URL.
Next time, better I go into the toilet when I, you know, going on toilet. Exactly. Rock your body, rock your body, rock your body, rock your body. Rock your body, rock your body. Nothing to see the howdy hop. Music is so loud, what the hell? Wahnsinn, it's too much actually. Look, Riley. Look hier für abspritzen. Bitte sehr. Your face, man. Cleaned up. Here we go. Yolala. There you are. There we go. Yeah. And how that works, man. Let's go for it. Need some beer. Here we are with the Sakis. Thank you very much. Here's some beer. Ja, die ganz schön gefilzt hier, der Teppich. Der hält vielleicht ein halbes Jahr, hm? Für 50 Euro. Holy shit. Yeah, what the hell? Don't do this up. He gets sucked up. Oh, hello, sunshine. And I'm done. I can't do this anymore. So I was younger these days, I just started out like this one. Well, nobody's watching. Alright, here we go. Cleaned up. My heart is right now on 180 to 200. Oh, okay. Make a clip, definitely. Perfect. Cleaning. What's that? CarX SP. Cleaning the skeleton. Driver. There we go. There we go. For you guys as well.
Livestream and morning time together, URL.
Your ass or something. What we have today on YouTube, it's just verrückte Welt. Crazy world we have today. A crazy world today. Hey, I'm even doing crazy in my live stream even. Alright, I just woke up. Because that was a crazy dream actually with that Russian Asian girl. And holy shit. I don't want to tell about that one. So this crotch thing and all this stuff. I woke just up and holy shit, she's in my arms or something. Oh, get real, man. There's only actually a cushion in your arm. Yeah. And the other side of my shoulder hurts. I don't know what I just did over the night. Okay. So maybe you like the song as well in here. So have a nice time. We going right now into nten and driving this game off.
URL.
Alright. Cheers up, companions, Robbie City, so lose call plus on the next stream. It's always the beginning, right? It's always the beginning. I'm talking very much before I'm drifting or something. Nobody wants to actually care about this. We're 6 drifts actually away from 7,444 in the drifting. Oh my god, the carnage. Why are we doing this cars right now? And I'm nten these one. They're crazy if you're doing a longer track. I have a bad feeling already in West Coast. I can't do it. They're already done. God damn it, what's new? Where are we going then? Going for a ride. Here we go. There's going for your ride then. Oh my god. Please not nighttime. Okay. Impossible to drive that nten, so I don't choose nighttime. You wanna bring it? Oh, there's crazy stuff over there then. That's what I'm talking about all the times. I think the biggest problem is to fix the camera or something. Whoa. Don't break the cube. Like this one, right? Let's see if this works. You do so. So weird. Not yourself, huh? Nah. Camera's weird. I can handle that. I think. What's the maximum I can do? Really? That's fucked up. Something's wrong. I can't do. It's the background. Let's just see. Okay. Can't tile that off more. I think we have to live with that, right? That's fucked up. Ah, whatever. It's what it is. That's all? That's fucked up, dude. Wow. It's actually the maximum. There's nothing, dude. I have ID on. Definitely. It's kind of cutting off something in here and just ending it on. Oh, come on, this is stupid. Rum and vodka, here he goes. Cheers up. ります。Holy moly. Damn it. Holy moly. Dude, I'm already over this. Too late. Damn it. That's such a big thing and don't get down below, right? That is weird. I don't care with that. And I don't care. No, I'll do better. He's the worst, man. Here we go. Just his sideward flip. Oh dude, that wasn't so bad that flip. Shit, I've come out of the front, so it's always got the next spin. The game is so loud and annoying. Holy moly. Brachialios. Even the headset is just actually vibrating. Crazy. What's up, Dava Mac? How you feeling, mate? Even it comes back, look at that. Okay. That's why I talked about actually these, you know, the new camera here. This camera, PlayStation 4 out, the best. The old one is the best. Even this background, even side-by actually have not actually the green screen. It's amazing. PlayStation 4 Pro, like the PlayStation 4 camera. Nothing more there for. Beautiful. Tried to do, but I was far too much, actually too fast in the way it is. But even we did a 6K, dude, man, but actually going back with the vehicle, amazing. What the hell happened here? Crazy day, man. Reaching. God. Next vehicle. Voodoo, man. Let's see if you get done West Coast area. Cleaned actually myself, so need some horse cream actually in my face. It's actually kind of these repair cream, right? 48 hours long or something like this crack. Yeah, that's why I'm calling it actually horse cream semen or something. Creamly cream. Feed my tubes. And my earplugs are just gone. Any messages? No? Fine as. Good. Up the body. Vodka and cola. Man, it takes so long, tingling time in here. Come on, good on. There we go.
Oh heck no.
Just happened. I hate when the directly actually the camera is going actually to the screen, half meter actually in front of it. That's so far away, you know. Oh, I give up. Cheers up. Campana Schwab is a loose card because in next stream. Next vehicle. West Coast. Already drove off, man. Actually, you seen the points, right? Dang. What we want to do in January then? Oh, LA block by Abros? I'm on. Nighttime. Just keep on moving, man. I'm good. I have not even the photo light on. What is he actually on that cell phone? What are you doing? Just green. Couldn't upload this one. It's green, right? What it shows up? 950 and some track actually I'm listening for the Spotify. Green screen, huh? Wow. Okay, wankers this one. Technology. Sometimes I love it very much. Earplugs off. Oh, my shoulder today. Just have campaign show with so let's go press in next game. Are my shoes actually? No, they don't not. The ash full right now. Because the last day or 2 days ago I checked it was working very much with them. Now they're a little bit ashy full. Not assy full, ash full. That's actually a centimeter rise of cigarette I have to deal with in my mouth. It's always going into the nose and going back in the mouth, right? That pisses me off. Company mouse. Let's keep it 30K. Hope so. Come on, let's keep it moving, man. Let's say... Oh my gosh, you know it. Where I'm going. Dang. I don't want to lose time on this shit. Ah, dang, that sun. It's uncomfortable actually in here. Somehow. Yeah, it is. This is a short car. I'm not sure about nten iory driving. It's gonna be crazy. Already done, West Coast, eh? Let's do Atron. Already done. Oh my god, there's Pacific Hills. San Fran. So many edges already done. Oh, 24 actually, I can't do that. Not nten iory. Whoa. The airplane was very deep down actually here over our village. If it's like actually you want to crash into the village or something. I'm going to the toilet. Be right back. Give me the jacket away. Oh, that's not good. I'm doing here. I don't care. It's a crazy day. People doing some dumb stuff today, maybe. Or being the greatest. You need to change that track, man. Spotify. What's a girl anyway? Damn, you know. The Black Eyed Peas girl. Swankish or something? I don't like. Ah, that nose. I was dripping. Hey, come on. Alright, I think so. The war starting up or something here in Germany. I'm not sure. Dang. What was this? Jet airplanes. They're going crazy here. Kind of a car we driving? Oh my gosh, yeah, definitely. Do a daytime, dude. I'm talking to myself again. Let's do Springsteen then. Cheers up, Kampai. Nastrovi salut, salut, skål för oss en next stream. Nothing. No gremlin under the table. I hate that, to watch the TV. Because the sideburns are always watching it to the camera. It's in the middle of the TV right now. I hate that. And again, Black Eyed Peas. What the hell? They have something else that fits somehow in here. That's better. Vodka actually with cola. No sparkles in there. Exactly. I already, the earplug just want to get out. What is wrong with you? Gambarimasu. So dark right now. It's like you're drifting on a drift blade of pure tarmac. Like on a drag strip or something. Crap. Nten iory. If I'm drifting this 50k but 39. Nice. I'm just gonna time to drink beer. Oh, what's that cola? Show myself, nobody's watching. What the hell's going on in here? They really hate me, right? Yeah. Ich dachte, man hat doch so gut gebraucht. Hello, Whoppers. What's going on in the zombie zoo? Shittily, man. That's a new controller, that's why it's so stiff and stuff like this. Needs to get a R.I.P action like my other controllers. Like this one with actually having these buttons not happening in here. We're still playing sometimes this controller. There's actually so many players. And this one is only for CarX. But not working anymore for the battery. I need to change that. I have so many supplies with that to do. That's my older controller. I finished actually Fallout 4, right? Still working, but I have no vibrations anymore. Just get it away. That's my fart cannon. Oh, what I just did! But where's actually the remote? I can find the remote. Set it off, man. Here we go. Okey dokey, where I am by drifting. Watching out. Let's go down below. Oppa! Oppa! Sneaking. Something is coming. I can hear it in the background. Los Angeles awaits you. Yeah. That's a crazy guy. What's this, Maria? Cheer up. Mit der Zahnfleisch nicht. Hell no. Next one. My heart like cheer up. Next vehicle. Shark GG. Hello. Little car. Yeah, the money drip. So he's huh? I just actually get that New Zealand sign then on. Ah, but there's another store under actually the Caribbean flag, so he's Australian. Yeah, definitely. Drove actually a lot of this car on what trust the panorama side of Australia, you know, that track. GP track, you know. Okay, let's keep it moving. Blah 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 blah. West Coast? What's going on? Oh, come on, dude. Cream to the cream ride. Need to do something else. Way long goes. Actually need Kami Road. I can't drive that nten iory with that crazy car, but let's just try. Let's give it a try. Come on. Definitely. Yeah. Charlie, choose up. Oh. Sunday my uncle have birthday. Yep. And the other farmer guy, the same day, with the same name, Thomas. What the hell? The same village. What happened there? Gambarimasu. Gambatte. Let's keep on moving. You gonna take a nap or what? Whoa, 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 that's the first time, oh my god, dunk! Oh, shit. I think we have an accident. Never. Stand on, man. 24 will be done. So 500 points left. I couldn't do. Oh, come on, whatever. Nten drive, it's hardcore. You build up a cars for actually not Nten. You build up a car for drifting and time attack. For Nten playing, I have no feeling for that. But that makes fun. Definitely. Thanks everyone for watching. What's wrong with you? I'll go to sleep. playing around in here, huh? That's okay. I'm going then. It's stupid. Watch him, not me. Have a nice time. Bye bye. I think I'm unwatchable or something. They don't like me to reach. Let's have the same crack. There we go. So this green screen was a fail. It's actually good. But not perfect. And done. Here we go. Like that automatic stuff. Ja, was braucht denn da so lang? Was machen die da oben? 2 Tage noch zum Arbeiten, Alter. Dann geht der ganze Mist wieder von vorne los. Ich kann es ja kaum erwarten, wieder irgendwelche Säcke zu tragen, irgendwelche Steine zu tragen, dass man überhaupt mal anfängt zu mauern um 12 Uhr. Das ist fürchterlich. Wenn kein Bauherr da ist, wenn nichts da ist und der Maurer muss alles selber tragen. Aber Hauptsache der Maurer macht schon. Im Endeffekt machen wir eigentlich alles, oder? Alles. Das würde nicht mal eine Frau oder nicht mal der Typ anlangen, der seine eigene Bude renoviert haben will. Das ist gravierend echt krass. So stupid. All the times you go into construction work, the most time, 20% maybe these kind of learned guys actually from the home itself, they're just presenting his work for us, how he wants to change something in a room. He didn't actually touching something else, carrying around the package of cemetery, actually all these stuff, you know, before starting up these learnedness of construction work. 20% working with you and 80% just sitting at home and just waiting until the room is finished and wants to have that finished by 2 days. It's not working, man. Be more in 2 weeks that actually the plastering actually in the wall gets actually dried off to actually get actually the color on and stuff. But I can't wait. They're making so many mistakes, man. Let the construction worker work, man. The town actually refined, the castrated. You're thinking actually we can do all the walls in 1 day. You have to put the material down below in the basement before actually starting up bricklaying. That takes a little time. It's the first time this year I'm starting up again this construction work. So we're already thinking one guy is doing this job like bringing the bricks, somebody actually making the mortar, and somebody actually doing already the bricklaying. And maybe in a whole day you have one wall finished. Next day we plastering it. Something this shit, you know. And it takes another day actually to find work and another 4 days to get actually color them on, you know, and get a finished wall. But where's the electricity? I think all the time, and 1 day it's everything happened or something. It's not work, man. Never worked as a construction worker, goddammit. Already feel actually calmed down with this dramatic. They don't see the work, what we're doing all the time, right? Thank you very much for watching a little while in here. Well, I'm still want to go forward until I'm drunk or something. 10 o'clock, 20 minutes after. But yeah, I'm gonna show myself the next hour. Maybe. Yes, I will. I want to change something on the camera. A closer camera. See my stupid face closer. But that was perfect actually with the t-shirt and all this stuff. Remembers me of the WC time. the 30 years actually on, you know, playing. So let me see, drinking and all this stuff. How many people is actually live streaming here in the game? 2. Oh, okay. Nobody's watching. Totally the problem or something. The shit. This broadcast is unavailable, and myself is still working because I'm on YouTube. God damn it! Nobody's watching. Yeah, here we go. That's weird. Uploading us so much stuff. Nobody cares. That's so fucked up, man. What about the idea actually get it lightly up? The camera system. SC wide, right? Well, it works. Enlarged. Everything works actually very well. Oh, okay, not anymore. Maybe get the photo light off, eh? Or just making a movement in here. Hold on. Nope, ain't work. Getting the light off. Even get worser. Not really. Cloudy light out there. Oh, that's much better, man. Next vehicle. See a Loudy Mercedes. Let's go in. Nobody else. Of course, West Coast already drove off. God damn it. Na hör mal. She's up. Pick it up. Oh hell. nten iory is not easy to drive in this vehicle. That's the physics. I do my best, seriously. I try my best, but every car is different. The physics on every track is different. And nten iory driving makes you nuts. Okay, well, that, you know, West Coast is dead for me. So what we got? Hold on. What's the worst in here? That's 3K, right? And that's 2K. Do a 3K. Here we go. Nighttime, of course. We'll try a 3K. Tjus op, kan paar nog eens doen. Zo doet het ook in die next stream. Hump hump. Hump hump. What the heck are you looking at, man? Shut up. We need to change actually the music, goddammit. It's not the same. No Black Eyed Peas again. Pumping up. Tjus op, kan paar nog eens doen. Zo doet het ook in die next stream. Sun coming in. Gambarimasu. Worst entry ever. Again, god damn it. I'm not finished yet. They got that shit. Arigato. Domme hond er niet. Already feel actually my time is lost. Total verschwendet somehow. Gambatte. Soft roads. nten iory. It's crazy stuff. What the fuck are you thinking about that, Gabamac? Oh shit! Oh yeah. Nobody's watching. Let's go to the toilet. Crazy anyway what I'm doing today. I hate myself. I don't like myself by watching. Well, whatever. Life is life, right? Back to Earth. Vierte aufgenommen.
Ich glaube, der hat andere Probleme, der Malermeister, als seine Frau. Das ist halt, was ich wirklich respektiere. Das tut mir auch leid. Aber das kann man ja irgendwie nicht ändern, oder? Ich habe Ideen, aber das funktioniert nicht. Wir kennen uns zu wenig. Muss schon 10 Jahre sind. Just one call to revive. All the times like this shit. Nobody cares on me, I don't care on them. But I do, that's the weird part. Und sich mal selber rausgehen, das tun die nicht, ne? Aber die wollen es alleweil von mir. Ich soll aus mir rausgehen, so in der Richtung. Gibt's nur Konflikte, weil ich niemanden habe, mit dem ich mal rausgehen kann, so in der Richtung, aus meinem Status, aus meinem... Hey Elster, was geht ab mit dir? Yeah. Oh, running on me. Das ist so in der Richtung von, wenn mit mir eigentlich jemand einen Bund eingehen möchte, es wird schwierig. Weil sie sich selber nicht melden, aber ich muss mich immer melden, weißt du, wie ich meine? Warum soll ich mich melden, wenn ich keinen Bock drauf habe? Ich hätte Bock drauf. Aber die tun es dann auch nicht, weißt? Ich schwimme dann eigentlich in meine eigene Suppe und warte drauf, dass jemand mich anruft. Somit haben sie schon verloren. Was Bullshit. Kommt jemand an und meint, er kann jetzt irgendwas vortragen oder Leid tragen, was ich schon längst ausgemalt habe. Und actually, dass ich schon längst fertig gebracht habe, wie dein Leben weiterläuft. Aber mein Leben, darum kümmert sich kein Mensch. Das interessiert die wenig. Next vehicle. Hawaii Cuban style. Here we go. West Coast still done. Come on. I think I'm in a wrong category of talking about. We should actually do trash TV, like actually German TV, talking over all these things. Maybe more promoted. Getting a hand to, you know, Angry Joey something as a 4-player. Playing a lot of games. I see so many versions, like good games. Yeah, they were still watching on me. You have good eyes, man. Sparkle, sparkle, dude. The Elster. Grabbing glittery toys and flying away to impress her girlfriend. Coming up, huh? Yeah. You see the glittering things, huh? Aren't you? From such wideness. It's kind of a 500 meters. You've seen what's glittering here in my room. Amazing. Upon not thinking all the times of the firm of this. It's kind of, you have cubes, CPUs, and the CPUs are thinking with you, and all the times are stacking on all the times. You're thinking all the... It's kind of weird. You're thinking what you want to do, drinking beer, smoking, drifting, nten iory, doing, actually playing music into earplugs, all these things. So many stuff is happening in my brain. Even if thinking about the cooking, well, I just want to do cooking next. Root harvest actually is chicken, something like the shit. Only have to actually prepare the potatoes today. I give a fuck, you know. It's just like, you know, you want to do this one, that one, here and there. Conclusion, actually, you're drinking beer. You just want to go to sleep then. Waking up and actually dehydrated. Nobody cares. YouTube says, what's that? Crazy world today. Exactly. We're doing a live stream that is crazy anyway. Can do better. I'll give you some sound, something, some music. Here we go. Enjoy. I do.
URL.
Loop, loop, loop. Loop the song. Not something else, goddammit. They call it lube, not loop. Goddammit. Girls. Missing the time that was over actually 2 players just watching me. Missing that. That actually kind of 3 to 10 watchers you have in the live stream I'm talking. Maybe my microphone is very loud or something, I'm not sure. Oh, it's just getting older and my voice is actually particularly actually very worse. Damn. Try to beat the 70k. Gamarimasu. Gambatte. Bump. 31, oh my god. Nice. Great job. Oh gosh. It's just stunning. I'm sorry. Okay, live stream is over. Have a nice time. Bye bye. I'm done with today. That was too much for me. So have a nice time. Bye bye.